Reflecting through words, understanding words of reflection. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing aspect of the English language, words of reflection. This phrase might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we're here to break it down together. Reflection is a powerful tool not just in mirrors but in our language and thoughts. So, get ready to explore how reflective words can deepen your understanding and expression in English. Words of reflection refer to expressions or phrases used to think back on, analyze, or contemplate past experiences or knowledge. These are not just any words. They are the vessels that carry our thoughts, emotions, and learnings from past to present. They help us to introspect, understand our actions, and learn from our experiences. Phrases like, upon reflection, looking back, and, in hindsight, are perfect examples of this. They set the stage for a thoughtful review of past events or feelings. Reflective language is a powerful tool in both written and spoken English. It allows us to convey depth and insight, transforming simple narratives into profound explorations of the human experience. When we use words of reflection, we do more than recount events. We reveal what those events mean to us, how they've shaped us, and what lessons we've drawn from them. This isn't just about personal growth. It's a way to connect with others on a deeper level, sharing insights and fostering understanding. Let's look at some examples to see how these words can be used effectively. Upon reflection, I realize that the challenges I faced taught me resilience. Looking back, I can see how much I've grown because of those experiences. In hindsight, there were signs I should have noticed earlier. Each of these sentences does more than recount a fact. They invite the listener or reader into the speaker's personal journey of understanding and growth. Incorporating words of reflection into your language is not just for storytelling, it's a tool for personal development. Here are some tips. After an experience, take a moment to think about what you've learned from it. Use phrases like, upon reflection, to introduce your insights. Share your reflections with others to deepen connections and encourage mutual growth. Remember, reflection is not just about looking back. It's about moving forward with greater wisdom and understanding. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and power of words of reflection. We hope this video has shed some light on how reflective language can enhance not just your English skills but your personal growth and relationships. Keep reflecting, keep learning, and, as always, keep sharing your insights with the world. See you in the next video.